Welcome to my video on imaging the sun real time with my Dwarf 3 smart telescope on May 7th, 2026. What I'm going to show you next is the real-time image of me recording it on my smartphone of what I actually did with the Dwarf 3. And next I'm going to switch to the real-time recording. Okay, now I'm connected to my Dwarf 3. So I want to go into the Atlas here and select the solar system. So I want to get the sun. Now I've already got the solar filter in place. So I'm going to say OK. Now what I'm going to do is I've got to get the sun in position. And I do that just by manipulating the front of the telescope, bring it up so I can find the sky. There it is. It's kind of hard to see sometimes when you're out in the sun because you can't see the screen very well. Let's see. There it is. Okay, there we go. Now I hit track. And we'll see what happens. It's going to, basically the tube rotates and see it's going now. It's bringing back the sun into position. Okay, so now what I want to do, now I've got the sun, so I'm tracking the sun. I'm going to go through and adjust my count. I want to convert that to about 10. That's how many times it stacks. I'll do a little quicker that way. Okay, done that. Now I'm going to tell it to take a photo. This takes just a few minutes. You can see up at the top there it's taking the actual photographs. So usually about a 500th of a second, 640th of a second. It tells you in the lower left there. So it's stacking them. So there's your first photograph. Now it's stacked all those together. Okay, so there we go. Now I can hit the X and tell it that we've got the photograph. Now I go to click on the left button there on the album. Okay, now we'll blow this up a little bit. See what we can see. Okay, there's some sunspots. So we were able to capture some sunspots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, good. Now what I'm going to do is go back to my telescope. Now we hit the factor of 2. I'm going to enlarge it by the 2 and get a little better view. There we go. Now do this and see what we can capture. And it's taken 10 photographs. Looks like this is 1/500th of a second. It's going to capture more, and those are already stacked, so that's good. Now what I want to do is I want to go save this. There's the photograph I just took. I'm going to save this to my iPhone. Go back here, I'm going to save this one to my iPhone. So I've got it in my folder. Let's go back and look at that second one here and see if we got some good views. Okay, now there we go. Now those two big ones we saw, and then a third one up there. So let's give a little close-up view of the sun. Well, I hope you got something out of this and learned how to use your Dwarf 3 to take an image of the sun. It just takes practice, and you'll get better at it. Thanks for watching.